This video introduces the operation, configuration options, and installation methods of the DC990 buck converter. We recommend watching the entire video before using the product. If you already have relevant experience, you may skip directly to the section you need using the table of contents on this page to save time. Before use, please check that all accessories are complete. If any items are missing, please contact us using the information provided in the user manual. We will arrange a replacement for the missing parts as soon as possible. Step 1. Install buttons. Step 2. Use the studs and screws to install the top acrylic plate, then tighten screws. Step 3. Use the studs and screws to install the bottom acrylic plate, then tighten screws. Installation completed. Tap IN/out button to switch between input/output page display. Hold IN/out button to switch between current/power display. Tap on OFF button to turn the output on or off. When the output is on, the on indicator lights up. Hold on OFF button on the out page to set the output initial state on or off. This product is intended only for DC step-down applications within the specified input voltage range. AC input is strictly prohibited. Do not short-circuit IN- and out- terminals. Doing so will cause the constant current function to fail. Ensure that the power supply capacity is always greater than the power required by the output load. This product is a heat-generating component and must be installed in a well-ventilated area. Do not wrap or cover the module. When operating continuously at maximum current, adequate ventilation and heat dissipation are mandatory. Keep the product dry at all times. Do not allow exposure to moisture or immersion in water to prevent short circuits. The following introduces the operation method of a standard buck module used for overcurrent protection. First, on the out page, set the voltage to the desired output value. Turn on the output. The on indicator will light up. Rotate the current adjustment potentiometer fully counterclockwise. At this point, both the CHAR and CC indicators turn red. Rotate the current adjustment potentiometer clockwise to the desired current limit. Use a multimeter set to the 10 ampere current range to measure the short circuit current at the output terminals. Directly connect the multimeter probes to the positive and negative output terminals. The value displayed on the multimeter is the current limit. For example, if the multimeter shows 2 ampere, adjust the potentiometer directly to 2 ampere. Now let's take a load test. When the current reaches 2.58 ampere, the power supply immediately triggers overcurrent protection. After reducing the current to 2 ampere, the output stabilizes again. Once the current exceeds the preset limit, it will be restricted to the preset current limit. The following will provide a detailed demonstration using the DC990 model on how to charge the illustrated 2 series lithium-ion battery. Please follow the steps below. Step 1. Connect the positive and negative terminals of the battery directly to the output terminal. Step 2. Set the output voltage to 8.4 volt. Step 3. Use the ADJI potentiometer to adjust the current limit to 1.05 ampere. Step 4. Turn on the output to begin charging. If you are unsure about the battery's charging parameters, contact the battery manufacturer for information.